1938 Packard Super 8. Price: $32,500. Location: Los Angeles. Step into a world where elegance was not optional, but expected. The 1938 stands as a symbol of pre-war American luxury, crafted in an era when automobiles were more than transportation. They were statements of prestige, engineering mastery, and timeless design. This particular example, finished in a deep black exterior with a rich brown interior, captures the essence of that golden age with remarkable authenticity. Under the hood lies a legendary 320 cubic inch straight-eight engine, paired with a 3-speed manual transmission. This combination once delivered smooth, confident power, embodying the refined performance Packard was known for. The single Stramberg E23 carburetor and classic mechanical setup reflect a time when driving was a tactile, engaging experience. Every shift, every turn, a direct connection between driver and machine. Visually, the car is a masterpiece of classic automotive styling. Chrome accents highlight its bold yet graceful lines, from the split windshield with its central chrome divider to the iconic cormorant hood ornament leading the way. The pontoon fenders, wide white-wall tires, and Packard-branded hubcaps complete a look that is both commanding and elegant, ensuring attention wherever it goes. Inside, the cabin offers a glimpse into luxury from a bygone era. The spacious bench seating provides both comfort and style, while thoughtful details such as dual lockable storage compartments add a sense of sophistication and practicality. In the rear, the trunk houses 2 vintage suitcases, perfectly complementing the car's grand touring character, ideal for imagining weekend getaways in classic style. It is important to note that this vehicle is currently not in running condition. However, for collectors and enthusiasts, this represents an exciting opportunity rather than a limitation. It is a blank canvas waiting to be revived, restored, and brought back to life, whether to concours-level perfection or as a personalized classic cruiser. Owning this Packard is not just about acquiring a car, it is about preserving a piece of history. It is about the stories it carries, the craftsmanship it represents, and the legacy it offers to its next caretaker. For those who appreciate true automotive heritage, this is more than a purchase, it is an investment in timeless elegance.